Hi and welcome to Contact Jam video training. My name's Martin Salter, and in this video we're going to look at something called segments. Now, it's a feature that our autoresponder here at Contact Jam offers to you, and it's one that people tend to shy away from because they're not quite sure how to use it within their business. For this video, I'm just going to show you something very simple you could use it for, and then you can start to play around with ideas in your mind about all the other things that you could be doing for segments. Now, there are segments which are set up rules that are already available for you to use, and there's segments which you can create yourself based on custom fields that you create. I'm not going to go any more technical than that for now. I just want to let you know so you know it's there in your mind. You can make conditional segments based on many different criteria. So if you use it effectively, segmenting can be extremely powerful in your email marketing campaigns. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you something. We're going to be very discriminatory towards Gmail users, and we're going to say that if we're going to send out a campaign broadcast, I don't want it to go to any inbox of anyone that has a Gmail account. Now, this could be Hotmail, this could be Yahoo, it could be anything you like, it doesn't matter, but just to show you what I'm doing here, the campaign will only reach 3 of my 4 fake subscribers. So on this page here you can see we have 4 fake subscribers from a company here and from Gmail here, and they've joined our list and they're getting information and we're sending out campaigns, but we're having problems with Gmail for some reason. In this particular case we've decided, and we want to exclude them from the content we want to send out. So I'm going to create a segment that says send to my list but don't include anybody that has a Gmail account. So we'll go to lists first of all. Okay, so I show you that we've only got one list here, and we can go now to campaigns to actually start the campaign, but first we actually need to create a segment. So I'm going to click on my list. So now we're in segments. I've created one previously, a segment where I only want to send out to people that joined before the 9th. Anyone that joined after that wouldn't get my email. We're doing it on Gmail, so let's create a segment. So we go create segment, and we're going to say what it is. And I've done that so I know what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to exclude Gmail accounts, and this could be anyone. I'm just using them as an example because we happen to have one here. So email address does not contain. You can choose is not, contains. You've got a lot of different options here. Now I've chosen does not contain at gmail.com. So in other words, on my list it will send out to anybody that's on my list as long as they don't have a Gmail account. Now you have to be careful here. Gmail happens to only be on .com, but if I wanted to exclude, for example, all Hotmail users, or let's say all Yahoo users, if I put here at yahoo.com, all the other extensions like yahoo.co.uk and all the other countries, etc., they would still get the email. So if I want to make sure that I'm removing from anyone that's got a Yahoo in their email address, just put Yahoo and then it will cover all the extensions. It doesn't matter. In my case, I'm going to put at gmail.com, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to save the segment. And as you can see here, excluding Gmail accounts, we have 3 subscribers that don't have a Gmail account, so they're going to get my content. So all we do to test this works is we go to campaigns and we set up a new campaign. So we create a new campaign. I'm going to call it campaign 4. And I want to exclude Gmail accounts, so only go to out of my 4 list, it's going to drop off one of them and not send them. Create campaign and edit the campaign email. I'm actually going to copy it from a previous campaign. Rather than writing it again, I actually want to send out the same information I have done before. So that's something else you can use here. We're going to copy demo campaigns 3 content and hit next. And this will save me writing my email all over again. I'll show you what I mean here. Is one I've done before, so I want the name to come from us to keep consistency. I choose next. And here it's taken the content. So what it's going to do is you made it to the cut and it's going to put their first name. And here it's going to put it again and again and congratulations. It's just a basic email I wrote. And I just, rather than writing it again, I copied it from a previous campaign. We choose next. And I recommend you normally test it and make sure it's coming to you. But once you're happy, in my case I'm going to run it anyway, we hit next. And then we'll go along and start scheduling when our campaign's going to go out. So we're going to schedule it. We're going to actually send it now to our list. Let's come down and we hit save. So it's now going to send out my campaign to my list of 4 people, but the guy who's from Gmail won't get an email from me because I've chosen to, and there we go, straight away 3 emails have been sent. It's telling me total recipients is 3, and because I've used an image in my account as well, if we go and open those emails, we'd actually be able to see that they've been opened as well. So here you go, it says you made it to the cut. We've got 2 of them in our account so far. So Joe's going to open it and read. Joe's really happy, he's got his email. Mary's also now got one as well. She's also happy, and our test driver, well, all 3 of them are going to open their emails. We're going to be really happy about that. And unfortunately, Martin, who's got a Gmail account, never gets to actually see anything. And that's all because and as you can see, like, as I've come back into the panel, we've now telling us that we've had 3 of our emails have been actually opened. So we know that we sent 3 and 3 of them were opened. And I covered that in another video if you watched that as well, about on how to try and improve your open rate statistics. But from this point of view, this video, just because of our campaign, because we chose to use a segment of excluding a Gmail user, unfortunately our Gmail account person didn't get an email from us. So there's lots of different ways you can use segments with your lists in order to specify who does and who does not get your content. Thanks for watching.